Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can make your images and photos brighter using the Photopea photo editing tool. Even as a complete beginner, it is super simple, super beginner friendly, super intuitive, and can be done by anyone without any photo editing skills whatsoever. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. So as you can see, I'm on photopea.com and I'm currently editing that photo here for demonstration purposes. So to make an image or photo brighter, guys, all you need to do is click on that icon in the bottom right corner, that new adjustment layer. Click on it with your left mouse and that is going to open up that drop-down menu. Now here, search for an option called brightness/contrast here at the top. So click on it. And after that, simply adjust your images or photos brightness by simply moving that slider either to the left to make it darker. So let me show you how it would look like, or to the right to make your image appear much brighter, just like that. You may also work on your image's contrast by moving that slider to the left or to the right. And that's all the magic behind this, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.